What's up guys, welcome back to our video. In this video, I'll show you how to transfer or send money from Zen to bank account. Now you might be wondering how to exactly send your funds here from your Zen account to your bank account. Well, in this case, we need to refer to a few things, or we need to know a few things here. Now, if you're wondering if it's actually possible, well, it's actually possible, and we'll be referring to the actual help center here from Zen themselves. So, in this case, the first thing that you want to do here is you want to log in, or in this case, access your account here. Now, in this case, you want to go ahead and just go download the Zen app here and just log in into your account. And once you're actually logged in here, you'll see the main screen of the Zen mascot. So that cute little animated character here. But yeah, so what you need to do, this is where you start the process of sending money. So in this case, if you're sending euros, choose euro here. And also, since you are sending to a bank, you'll want to choose the bank transfer option, or the transfer option you see here in your screen. Now, Zen supports local transfers, SEPA for Eurozone countries, and SWIFT for international. Now, if you haven't sent money to this person before, you'll need to add their information. So, in this case, you may need to provide their IBAN or international bank account number. So, this is the recipient's full account number, or the BIC or SWIFT code here. So, in this case, this identifies the recipient's bank, especially important for international transfer. Now, in this case, once you've filled all the information or details here, just review the information, confirm it, and your money will be on its way. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.